Good luck on your first pick 5. Gates open, they're up and racing. Tigerific draws for your lead, moving up in between runners. Quick Storm. Mangaro is running by the railman, moving up now. Unica Champ. Then followed by Bonjour, Avon's Treasure, and Stellar Race. As they race at the last 900, Tigerific running on the outside by the rail. Quick Storm. Then racing in third by the rail is Unica Champ, Mangaro, Bonjour, and Avon's Treasure, Stellar Race. As they rounded the last 600, Quick Storm, Tigerific is on the outside, Mangaro, Unica Champ, Bonjour racing in fifth, Avon's Treasury, Stellar Ace. As they swing for home, two runners keep on fighting out for the lead, running by the rail. Quick Storm, Tigerific, Unica Champ moving up by the rail, Bonjour and Mangaro, Avon's Treasure, and down the stretch and leading the finish line, we have Quick Storm running on the outside, Unica Champ is by the rail. Quick Storm, Unica Champ moving up by the rail. It's still Quick Storm, Unica Champ by the rail. Quick Storm, Unica Champ, and finally Quick Storm, Unica Champ. Then comes Bonjour, Mangaro, and Avon's Treasure for your Pentafecta.